Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure the earbuds and case have some charge and are paired with your phone. This prevents resets mid-change. Once done, open the companion app or the phone's Bluetooth settings and locate the connected earbud entry. Tap into the device controls. This is where touch functions live. Make sure both left and right channels are visible because some models require toggling each earbud separately. Now navigate to Controls, Gestures, or Touch settings so you can make specific changes. Now dive into the Gesture or Touch Controls section. Manufacturers label it differently, but the function is the same. You'll see mapping for single tap, double tap, long press, and swipe. Select each action and choose None, Disable, or Set to a neutral action. If the app requires saving, apply, or confirm changes, otherwise the setting may revert. Make sure to repeat the steps for the other earbud when controls are separate, since disabling one side often does not affect the other side. Finish by testing taps and swipes while wearing the earbuds. If the touch is disabled, you should see no responses or the neutral action. If touch still triggers, make sure firmware is current and reinstall the app, then reapply settings. Updates often fix control bugs. If nothing changes, perform a factory reset and repair the earbuds, but remember this erases custom settings. One key troubleshooting tip: check whether a protective case or moisture sensors are causing false touches before resetting hardware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.